Now, as I'm doing this video, Nio is up almost 5%, and this comes after CNBC covers Nio. I mean, apparently, Nio CEO was interviewed by CNBC sometime yesterday, and he highlighted something very interesting, which is what is making the markets to react the way they are doing. I'm sorry, guys, about the lighting and everything. I'm just somewhere working, and I realized that I come and quickly do this video and I give it to you, right? So yeah, CEO of Nio apparently told CNBC yesterday that Nio intends on getting to profitability this year in Q4, as per what they've been saying, right? And obviously the Nio CEO was asked how does he plan on achieving this, especially seeing the current market condition, seeing the fierce competition in China. And he said, look, Nio intends on launching 9 models in China, right? And this, with these 9 models and the deployment of battery swapping station at each and every county in China, they believe that this will drive massive sales. You will know that Nio intends on launching new models this year, and some of the models they've already launched them. I mean, they've launched the ET9, they've launched Firefly sub-brand, they are going to launch, or they have also done some sort of a launch of the L90, which is the second model under the Onvo sub-brand, which is something that is great. They still intend on launching other new models, ET5 Touring, ET5 Mid-Sedan, ES6 and EC6 now in Q2. And with all this, he believes that Nio will get to the next level. In total, Nio plans to launch 9 products this year alone. And you will know that we already know most of the products that Nio will be launching, which some of these products, the new product that they plan on also launching, it is the Onvo L80, which will make a complete puzzle of the Onvo sub-brand models, or models that are found under Onvo, which is something that is great, something that is very exciting. All this news that I'm telling you, which is what the CEO or our CEO told CNBC, is what is making the market to react the way the way it is today onto Nio. It looks like the markets, the investors likes what Nio CEO said, and they believe, or they are believing what he said, which who knows where the share price could be, maybe by the end of Friday, right? But hopefully it is at a very, very good place, right? I mean, one of the things that we have been seeing coming from Nio is that Nio is the company that wherever they can, every time the Nio CEO is on the screen is talking about profitability, which you will know the primary objective for Nio this year is to get to profitability, and they do whatever they can. They are implementing strategies to help them get there. There is the CBU, Cell Business Unit, that Nio has launched, and with that strategy Nio intends on getting to profitability, or using that strategy, which by the way, it's all about Nio only doing or focusing on R&Ds that have good ROIs, or that makes financial sense, which is something that Nio has been implementing, right? And hopefully this time around, we hope to get, or to see this strategy help Nio get to profitability. So I am very happy, man. I am very excited about what Nio is doing. I know share price wise, even though we are seeing Nio up almost 5%, it's very far off from where it's supposed to be. The Nio investors, majority of us were expecting Nio to be at least on double digits, but that has not come. And therefore, the share price, though it's moving the way it is, I think it's still very far off from where we expect Nio to be. Even some big financial institutions, I think this is really a stock that is undervalued based off what we've been seeing, especially on other peer stocks like XPeng and Liodo, how they've been performing in the markets in terms of the share price. Nio has been that stock that has been beaten down quite sharply, and the CEO said, and the CEO coming and reiterating profitability in Q4, improvement of gross margins, and sales ramp up. We can all agree that blue sky is coming. This low trading price is supposed to be taken as an opportunity to increase your holdings, or our holdings out to Nio, because we know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. I know share price wise Nio might not be doing the most, but this is a company which is expected to do so well in the future. I will play that video with you, by the way, of the interview, or of the outcomes from the interview that the Nio CEO was doing with CNBC, which is something that obviously it was so great to see. Once again, our very own CEO reiterating profitability coming in Q4, which is massive, which is great, and it makes me to want to load the boat. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming, man. And I know some people might still be having doubt of profitability coming to NIO, but me, I believe, man. I believe that NIO will take us to the next level. I believe that this is the Chinese new energy vehicle car maker, which is expected or which is going to do very well, and those that are persevering throughout the headwinds, the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. We shall be rewarded, people. I believe that, and I just thought I'd take this opportunity or this short time that I have and come and tell you this good news. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because yeah, you can see I'm so enjoying giving you the kind of content, this kind of content about NIO, because I know that some people might not be seeing what we're seeing, but this is what matters to us as the investors. This interview by the NIO CEO is what keeps us going. Some of these latest developments that we see onto NIO are the ones that keeps us going, and therefore will remain long and strong onto NIO, because blue sky is coming. I'll see you on the next one. Like, share, subscribe. That's all from me, and God bless you all.
As well. I got a chance yesterday to speak with the CEO and founder of NIO, William Li. NIO, of course, is one of the big three Chinese EV startups, and there's been analysts that have questioned about, you know, the situation in terms of their financial picture, both from a gross margin perspective as well as in terms of the cash burn. So I put it to him, given some of the challenges facing the company, the domestic competition, but also particularly in terms of tariff barriers as well, whether or not they're still on target to break even this year. Let's watch.
We've set a target that we are going to make even in Q4 this year. We are confident to achieve this goal. We have 9 models to be delivered this year. Secondly, we have more technologies to be applied this year. Our new models this year with different position is going to increase our gross margin. So there will be steady improvement in our gross margin this year. Thirdly, as we mentioned earlier, we will build battery swapping stations in every county of China's 27 provincial level zones. The battery swapping network can be a strong channel for us to sell cars with network effect. So we believe this will help boost our sales.